on about the BVSSV, the Bharatiya Vidya Salakar Samiti, the group of professionals and chartered accountants, cost accountant, company secretaries, bankers, share brokers, academicians, and like think tank. Basically, we support the MSME and the small and medium practitioners for capacity building and representations. And we do many programs to give the training and knowledge to the SMPs and SMEs. And apart from that, many things which we collect from the ground, we make a representation and go to the government for giving our suggestions. And many suggestions from the BVSS has been accepted by the government also. And I am very happy that today in this forum, many good points, and I think these are the all practical. Samirji, what we are discussing here is all 100% practical aspects we are discussing here, which are the core areas for MSME. One of the very important point which is coming out here about the funding of the MSME, only one point I would like to give it here. Many things has been said. I give you a little small example that how the collateral is the main hurdle about the financing of the MSME. Even if it has been said that the requirement of the fund is more than the net worth of the MSME, in some cases, most of the industrial areas in the state government is allotting on leasehold basis. When the MSME has huge investment in the land and that is on leasehold basis, the bankers are not accepting this leasehold as a collateral security. When we are talking without collateral, even the MSME is having the investment, but that is not being accepted as a collateral. So that policy decision we need to take immediately also, that we have the pulses from many small industries. They are saying, we have a lot of crores of investment in our land which is not monetized and it is coming there. And one or two points regarding the GST and income tax has already been said. Even today, the system of refunds from the GST, when we are talking about the zero rated supply, the technical glitches are so high. On theoretical, there is a refund. There is no doubt about it. There is a refund for making the zero rated supply, maybe the SEZ and exporters. But if you see practically, the technical glitches are so high. I give you a small example. If you are making the export through post, and in post there was no system of giving the shipping bill number and all details. If you go to the filing the refund application in the GST portal, you will not able to even file it for after so many efforts. Technical glitches and policy, these need to be synchronized. Samirji, there is a lot of problem on the ground level which we need to take up to the higher authorities. If there is any other specific question, I would be happy to answer.
Yeah, thank you very much.